So here's the head assembled. Got the top on. I put it in the pulsed mode rather than the solid stream. So to pour more water in, you simply take the top off. I put 5 eyedroppers of water in there, which isn't much, but it had it about 3/4 full at that point. So it goes through the water because it's throwing out quite a stream. But water's cheap, so it's not that hard to replace. I got the sunlight shining in here, as you can see on my hand, so it's lighting the fog up really nice. If I hit this again, that should turn it off in off mode. It isn't drawing any current, measurable current. The idea is if I wire the misting unit directly up to the batteries, that way the robot could actually be used as a humidifier, or you could have it in this mode without the rest of the robot on if you wanted. And this is the continuous one, which should go through the water. Look down in there. Yeah, it's getting low. So it really pumps out a lot of water. Had no idea. If you're going to get a long run time on it, you'd have to keep your little eyedropper full of water handy. Just trying to stare down in there. Let's go back. No, let's just go and leave it. So we can see on the top it does, even with the sunlight coming in, I think the camera can pick up that the RGB lights, God, I can't really move this any closer to the camera the way things are sitting right now. Anyway, I've got the video coming up next where I've got some water building up from his mouth. He's dumping so much out. For the rest of the build very soon.